Hi Nami, I decided to take your challenge and generate 10 random numbers between 4 and 45 without any duplicates. So as you can see, once I run my program, it will generate 10 numbers, and no matter how much I run the program, none of these numbers will be a duplicate. So, and it's between 5 and 45. Alright. The code itself is in the main function. I call a function called ran, and it goes to this whole function right here, and basically, it generates 10 random numbers, and down here there's a loop statement that checks, if one of the numbers is the same or not, and if one of the numbers is the same, the list will pop back, and then the loop will start over until it gets a number that's not the same as all the number that came before. And once it generates 10 number, I get a vector list that is full of 10 random numbers ranging from 0 to 40. Now, once that's done, the code will go to another while loop where where all the numbers get added to 5. So all the number will be added by 5. So the number could range between 5 and 45. And then the last thing is the code is be printed out in a while loop. And that's what you see here. And basically that's it.